Hello everyone, this is Vaibhav Sharma, and in this video we're going to have a look at some of the options for putting even more shortcuts on the 5800 Xpress Music phone. Now, one of the shortcomings of the standby screen on the phone is that in spite of having such a huge screen, there are only 4 finger optimized shortcuts. There easily could have been a second row. Applications like Handy Shell do that. However, I'm not much of a fan of Handy Shell. So let's look at some of the other ways we can expand the shortcuts available. Now, in addition to these 4, there are certain hidden shortcuts on the phone. Now, the first is the clock. A simple tap of the clock takes us to the clock application. Then if we give a single tap over here, we are presented with the connectivity options. If I press this button, we are greeted with options such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and we can operate them as you would want them to. Then clicking on the general and the date button gives us an option to open the calendar or switch profiles. Again, a very handy feature. Then we also have the default contacts button here. Pressing on it takes us to the contacts. So this in itself turns out to be quite a lot of shortcuts. Not only that, we also have this multimedia button, which gives us 5 more shortcuts. The first being music, pictures, share a movie, videos, and web. So all in all, that's about 14 shortcuts, which is quite a lot, directly accessible from the standby screen. And for the calendar, we can even tap this. Not only this, if you use a third-party application such as Smartphone Bear's Best Taskpan, you can get even more applications. Now, I have switched the default menu with this application. I'm currently using the trial version, and I think I like what I see. Now, this list presents the open applications which you can easily switch between, but clicking on this button, which is the quick start guide, gives us an access to even more bigger list of shortcuts which you can define for yourself. So in addition to the normal menu which you already have and the shortcuts that are displayed there, we also have this menu which gives us a list of greater shortcuts. So all in all, if I compare and add all of the shortcuts available, that's 14 shortcuts from the standby screen and 12 shortcuts with the application. That's a whopping 26 shortcuts, which are all finger customized, all finger friendly. The reason I used the stylus was because I did not want my finger to block the view of the screen for you. So all in all, I think despite this inherent limitation of the 5800, if we use the phone little smartly, the handicap of having less shortcuts is easily overcome. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is Vaibhav signing off. Thank you so much.